The Microsoft Teams is a great collaboration and communication tool on Windows Computer. And in this application, instructors, meeting organizers, and presenters can control whether muted attendees can unmute in a Teams meeting. And to learn more about how you can do that, make sure to follow the steps in this video tutorial. Now, if you have scheduled a meeting, open your Outlook application, select the Calendar tab on the left, and click on the meeting invitation. Here you would select the meeting options and turn off the option Allow Mic for Attendees in the new window. And then click Save to apply the changes. But if you're currently on the meeting, all you have to do is select More Options or the three dots at the top portion of the screen. Choose Meeting Options from the drop-down menu. Turn off the option Allow Mic for Attendees, and then click Save to apply the changes. And with that, you can now prevent Teams attendees from unmuting themselves. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.